class looks like and what their adventures are at IIMB, the place to be.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Let me introduce myself. I'm Jahil Jait of PGP2 batch. And I welcome you all to the official city meet in Mumbai. Congratulations, everyone, for getting into IIMB. So how does it feel to be a part of IIM Bangalore?
I have a doubt. The nation wants to know tonight, what are we doing in this goddamn place? For I have a show to attend at 9, where I call a lot of celebrities, but I don't let them speak.
अबे साले, तू मुझे बोलने नहीं देगा? एक तो इन लोगों ने मेरे को इतनी जल्दी सिटी मीट पे बुला लिया, अभी तक मेरी वेटिंग लिस्ट क्लियर नहीं हुई है। जाहिल, जाहिल, 2 दिन दे रहा हूँ तेरे को 2 दिन। अगर मेरी वेटिंग लिस्ट ठीक क्लियर नहीं हुई, तो टांगे तोड़ दूंगा टांगे।
दस बुड़बक, बैठो, बैठो। हल्ला करता है तुम लोग। महानान श्रीमान जी, हमका एक दुविधा है। हम अपना भैंसिया को लेके आ गए हैं। वहाँ महुआ दारू का कुछ मिलेगा क्या?
Guys, if you have any genuine concerns, please let me know, else I will cancel this meet.
Jahil, this is Rakhi Sawan. I just wanted to know how many pairs of heels should I bring in the campus?
जी, हील्स को छोड़ो और ये बताओ, ये कोई स्कैम तो नहीं है? ये स्कैम नहीं होना चाहिए। मैं जनता का आदमी हूँ, बहुत दूर से आया हूँ। अगर ये स्कैम हुआ ना, तो मैं धरने पे बैठ जाऊंगा एल स्क्वायर पे, एक भी पार्टी होने नहीं दूंगा।
Because you guys have wasted my time and not asked any genuine doubts, I am cancelling this meet. See you all at IIM Bangalore. Thank you.
ओ गुरु चक दे फड्डे नब दे किल्ली सुबह जलंधर शाम को अंगूर पिघलता है तो शराब बन जाती है, चिंगारी भड़कती है तो आफताब बन जाती है। जब सुनता हूँ नाम सिद्धू का जमाने में, तो पूरी छाती चौड़ी होके पंजाब हो जाती है। ओए ठोको ताली ठोको।
छोड़ो पंजाब को, मैं दया बेन IIMB में सेलेक्ट हो गई। टप्पू के पापा हमेशा कहते थे, दया तू IIMB में सेलेक्ट हो जाएगी। ये
Hi guys. Are you here for the offer? Yes. So how much discount are they offering?
ये MBA का ऑफर है, डिस्काउंट नहीं।
So no discount? No. And have anyway heard none of the PGP2 boys are good looking anyway. जो भी, see you at IIMB then. Oh Jesus! Alia at IIMB?
तारीख हो गई पर मेरी वेटिंग लिस्ट सबसे लास्ट में क्लियर हुई है। अगर मेरे को पता चल गया कि किसने मेरी वेटिंग लिस्ट लास्ट में क्लियर करवाई है तो इस हाथ से उसका खून कर दूंगा।
सनी, don't manhandle me. और वैसे भी कॉलेज में तो ये सब होता रहता है. आलिया!
साले सुअर के बच्चे। अर्नब, तू क्या कर रहा है साले यहाँ?
Exactly. The nation wants to know tonight what Arnab is doing at IMB. I mean, look at them. Look at them. Look at Mr. Rahul Gandhi playing with his mom's pallu. How cute is that? Look at Mr. Karan Johar flirting with Sunny Deol. How manly is that?
ओ जी, मुझे अभी भी लगता है स्कैम है जी, स्कैम है. ये सब मिले हुए हैं.
Guys,
BJP,
guys.
कांग्रेस.
What is this happening? Do you think this is a joke? First week of college and you are doing all this? Anyway, we PGP2s have organized a GBM today. Your first official GBM, and I expect each and every one of you to be there. And yes, deadlines are sacrosanct. Please don't be late. One more thing, no slippers or sandals will be tolerated. Is that clear?
अबे क्लियर तो है पर साले तू है कौन?
I am the SAC president. नौटंकिया सबके लिए. Settle up, guys. What? What is this? You think you can broom your seniors?
Go. Please.
Please settle up, guys.
Guys, what time is it? What time is it, guys? What time were you supposed to come here for the GBM? Today is your first GBM and all of you are late. Just because you guys have cleared CAT, you think you're the kings and queens of this world? Go ahead, guys. Give yourself a round of applause. Go ahead, clap for yourself. Mark my words, guys. If this goes on, this institute will eat you raw. Anyways, moving on. On behalf of SAC, PGP2s and faculty, I welcome you all PGP1s to IIM Bangalore. Guys, at IIMB, we have rules. This is not how we clap for ourselves. That's better. Over to you, Notankia.
PGP ones. What kind of behavior is this? Is this what our batch expects from you? What kind of face am I going to show your PGP3s? Don't you guys have any decency? And yesterday, I got reports that some people were playing Antakshari in the mess.
What?
What was that?
Who was that? Is this a party place? Are you here to party?
No, Jahil, I think we should just scrap the GBM.
Scrap it, Notankia. Scrap it. They don't deserve our time.
Since I have learned something from your PGP3s, my seniors, We will not scrap it. We have organized a welcome for you. Vidhi, please.
Hello, PGP1. Welcome to IIM Bangalore. We, PGP2, have arranged a performance for you, and that's given by the most attractive PGP2, Gutti.
Hi guys.
Guys, somebody is here to perform for you. Clap for them.
Show some respect, guys.
They have absolutely no respect.
इंट्रो कर लें गाइस. गुत्ती गुत्ती PGP1 जाहिल जाहिल नौटंकिया नौटंकिया गुत्ती गुत्ती ऑडियंस गुत्ती. कैन आई सिंग अ सॉन्ग फॉर यू? आप आए हैं हमारे कॉलेज में, आप आए हैं हमारे कॉलेज में, फूल खिले हैं गुलशन गुलशन, फूल खिले हैं गुलशन गुलशन. केजरीवाल यहाँ करना न अनशन, केजरीवाल यहाँ करना न अनशन, आलिया तू लेना टेंशन, आलिया तू लेना
Stop it,
टेंशन.
stop it. Whose phone was that?
What was that, guys?
Whose
Who
phone
was that?
Stand up.
Can't you guys even read basic English? What do you think, guys? We are clowns in suits over here. You know, my entire batch, your PGP2s have worked all night to put this show for you. And this is how you respect them? Anyway, we will proceed with why we are having this GBM here. So, we will have junior SAC elections right now. Everyone will come up and make a 1-minute speech. Pari here will keep the time. Yes, Vidhi, please.
Let's start our SAC election with our first participant, Mrs. Daya Ben.
मैं दया बेन आज सैक इलेक्शन में खड़ी हुई हूँ. मैं और वीरा मुझे बोलते हैं हमेशा, दया बेन तुम सैक इलेक्शन जीत जाओगी. भाइयों और बहनों, अगर आप लोगों ने मुझे सैक के इलेक्शन जिता दिए तो मैं दया बेन हर संडे मेस में खमन ढोकला और फाफड़ा रखूंगी और हर सैटरडे एल स्क्वायर में गरबा होगा.
What did you, stop it.
What did you just say? Did you read the rules before coming here? Did you read the rules or not? What did the rules say? Tell me. Is
Yeah.
Garba allowed at L Square?
Is L square meant for Garba? Don't you know what L square is meant for? L square is meant for drinking cold drinks.
Please go. Batch, please note. She is disqualified.
No, I think the batch will take a call on this. Vidhi, please, next candidate.
Chillax Nautankia. Sis people, stay calm and welcome our next participant, Sunny Deol.
मेरा दिल ले गई ओए, मेरा दिल ले गई ओए कमो किधर.
पापा ने कहा था एक इलेक्शन जीतनी है, इसलिए आज सैक की इलेक्शन में खड़ा हो रहा हूं. अगर तुम लोगों ने मेरे को जिता दिया तो मां शेरावाली की कसम बैंगलोर के कोने कोने से हैंडपंप लाऊंगा और हर PGP2 के पीछे कमरे के पीछे लगाऊंगा और साथ में कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट भी शुरू करूंगा डांसिंग का.
What? Stop it. You think this is a dancing competition going on?
अबे नौटंकिया, चुप हो जा. If I found you, I found you.
Go back. Go, please.
And from that wound thing, what happened during Know Your Campus last night?
What happened, Nautankia?
Don't you know, Jahil? One guy got injured. Who is he?
Who is he? Stand up.
And where were your teammates?
Who is your teammate? Who are your teammates? Tell me. Who are your teammates? Guys, don't you recognize your own teammate?
You
Stand up, guys. At least have the audacity to stand up.
You know, Jahil, nobody was there to help him. I had to myself go and put my band-aid on his wound. What kind of batch is this, yaar? Are you guys animals? You're supposed to be highly networked batch, right?
6 days to go, 5 days to go. Where is your network now?
Anyway, just leave all this. Vidhi, please, next candidate.
That's so sad, Nautankia. So guess what? Who is our next participant? She is none other than Rakhi Sawant.
Wait. Stop it. Wait. You stand up. Go wash your face and come. Go.
Please,
Go.
please leave the auditorium.
Please. Continue.
Hello guys, this is Rakhi Sawant. जो बात दिल में हो वो बोल देनी चाहिए, अच्छा लगता है. अगर मैं आऊंगी तो ही कुछ होगा, ये मैं राखी सावंत बोल रही हूँ. मेरे हरे कपड़े ले आपके लिए ग्रीन सिग्नल है. ये सब मैं अकेले नहीं करूंगी, मेरे साथ बहुत लोग होंगे. जीजस होगा और मेरे पीछे भी बहुत लोगों का हाथ होगा. नागा 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 तो मुझे वोट देगा ही. कपीश पे भी कोई शक नहीं. वोट फॉर मी गाइस.
Yes, I think Naga will definitely vote for you.
Naga, please note and please vote.
Next candidate, Vidhi.
So people, let's call the most educated of all PGP ones, Lalu Prasad Yadav.
जिया हो बिहार के लाला, हाय जिया तू हजार साला.
ए लड़का बैठो. आदरणीय नौटंकिया साहब खाले जी.
Wait. His name is Sapkile.
आहा जो हो है महाराज. आज जाहिल जेठ भाई है. और यहाँ बैठे तमाम भाई बंधु, हम बिहार के सरपंच लालू यादव वहां पे झंडा गाड़ के यहाँ आपके समक्ष आए हैं. हम आप लोगों से विनती करेंगे, ये जो सैप वैप का जो इलेक्शन है, हमको बहुत एक्सपीरियंस है, इसमें हमको ही वोट दीजिएगा ना जी. हम हर एक ब्लॉक में एक भैंसिया बांध देंगे, दूध पीजिएगा. और ये सुनने में आया है क्लब उलब का बहुत नाटक है यहाँ पर. इस सब जो लफंगा लोग हैं बउआते फिरेगा. वोट फॉर लालू.
PGP ones, you think we drink milk over here? Vidhi, please.
So people, the next one to rule the stage is Arnab Goswami.
Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So, tonight in the studio, we have members for the Junior SAC committee. But let me tell you guys, there is not even a point of discussion for that. It's because of me that these guys are famous. I've grilled them on my show every night at 9 p.m. on Times Now. So I'm the clear-cut SAC member.
अबे तुझे क्या लग रहा है तू जीत जाएगा?
What did you say?
हैंड पंप से मुंह तोड़ दूंगा, चुप हो जा.
Never, ever say that to Arnab Goswami. See you guys tomorrow.
So people, the last contestant of SAC election is Kangana Ranaut.
राम राम सबन राम राम आज की राम राम इब ते कल की राम राम एडवांस मारा नाम कंगना से नेशनल लेवल ब्यूटी सू ब्यूटी कोटे ते एडमिशन लिया से जिला झज्जर 124507 और फोन नंबर में दऊं को ना ये बात रही जिम्मेदारी की तो सारे झज्जर जिले की भैंसियां का ख्याल मन नहीं रखा है तो थारा तो मैं राख ही लूंगी हमारे पीजीपी 1 वाले दोस्तों और पीजीपी 2 वाले भाइयों मन नहीं
No, 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 no. We are not your brothers.
हमारे भाई लागो
Wait, wait. You get this one thing straight. No PGP 1 girl is our sister.
मैंने कहा था बापू से हमारी शादी करा दो ये वो फुटबॉल वाले चमनप्रीत भैया वही चमनप्रीत भैया बार बार मन्ने जेब लॉक पार्टी में बुलावे
Ye-
ना 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 हम ही बताओ ये गलत नहीं है का
Yes, that is definitely wrong. Chamanpreet has been doing this since ages. He has done this in our batch also. Please take your seat. Please. Guys, I think this was definitely a genuine case. You should please vote for her. Vidhi, please.
Guys, let's give a big round of applause for PJP1s. By the way, usually I don't sound like this.
Guys, please proceed to L square.
A very good evening, IMB. Tonight, IMB selects the very own SAC members. But before that, we have a performance for you put up by the PGP ones. So give them a big round of applause.
हाय कोई ये बताए क्या होगा कैट हमें किस मोड़ पे ले आया कि दिल करे हाय हाय कोई ये बताए क्या होगा
Exceptional performance by the PGP ones. Give them a big round of applause. And now, praise yourself.
Wait. What is happening here, huh?
SAC election.
Huh, you guys think you're smarter than us? Please.
You guys think you will get admission into our college? All of this was a con. Right from your admissions. Now go! Get lost!